Hey there guys, Joe with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel, here today to talk to you about Milwaukee hand tools. Now, Milwaukee makes a bunch of great stuff, and I'm only siding with them because they're actually for you technicians. You know, a lot of automotive technicians watch my channel and stuff, and I'm a car repair channel. And honestly, we make some badass power tools that are being sold to everybody, you know, in the professional field because they work. And behind the innovation, they're focusing on hand tools as well. A lot of people don't even consider them, but they have a whole lineup of tools that you should be interested in. I mean, not only cool tools like the 1/2 inch, 1,400 pound impact, M12 underhood light, Rover mini light, new personal lighting accessories. They have a whole hand tool line that is honestly just great. So I'm gonna showcase the stuff I have and just let you know, and there'll be a link in the description. Check out Milwaukee's hand tool line and see what you can add to your arsenal today. You can see, I mean, they have a whole pry bar set, 36-inch pry bar. Actually has an I-beam strength to it. Not just a straight bar rod like some others. They have a striking cap on the end. They're great. I use them. These tools aren't just sitting around looking pretty. You can see, I get some use out of them. Again, like I said, Milwaukee 1/2 inch impact, stuff. They make ratchets that are fantastic, and the flat 4 technology they have, they don't roll away. I have a whole video on those as well. But I mean, even the ratchets, super high quality stuff I would buy off a tool truck, stuff that should be on the tool truck. Red lithium USB lighting, the new personal lighting, easy, just twist up, micro USB charging. Their max bite, awesome ended wrenches, come in ratcheting, and standard box end. Even their vice grips, they're up there with what Irwin used to be. $10 you get the Phillips and standard demolition screwdrivers with a striking cap on the end. Every technician should have those in their box. I've never broken a tip yet, and I beat the crap out of them. Pick set, Milwaukee pick set. They're really sharp. You can, just stab through the casing there. It's the grips, everything. They're screwdrivers. That flat 4 technology with the 1/4 inch drive. The pieces are thought out. They're great. Rover mini light, M12 underhood light, whole line of battery accessories, M18 hand tools. So like I said, Milwaukee is in your corner for hand tools. They're innovative. I'll have a link in the description to their website. Just check out their whole lineup. They're coming out with stuff all the time, and it's honestly worth the attention. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Let me know if you did, and check out the Milwaukee hand tools. As long as it's with their power tools, they're great, and I use them every day.